Welcome to the future of electric mobility. Meet the Kia EV9, an electric SUV that's set to transform the automotive landscape. Today, we explore why this revolutionary vehicle is causing such a buzz. Before we proceed further, do subscribe to Left Lane Driver channel and hit that notification icon so you get notified about each video upload. The Kia EV9, based on the acclaimed eGMP platform, made its debut as a concept at the Auto Expo 2023. Its bold design, inspired by the global spec model, features the iconic tiger nose grille, vertical headlights, and stunning star lamp L-shaped DRLs. Notice the sleek alloy wheels and the sophisticated vertical LED tail lights that complete its futuristic look. Let's talk about how big this car is. When it comes to overall length, it is 5015 mm, giving you good leg room. With 1980 mm of width, you have got good shoulder room, and with 1780 mm, you are assured of the headroom. Now, these are some dimensions which are larger, bigger, broader than India's most favorite SUV for decades, Fortuner. Now, this car is really big. Step inside the Kia EV9 and experience a blend of luxury and innovation. The cabin boasts two 12.3-inch screens seamlessly integrated with a 5.3-inch climate control display, offering an intuitive user experience. Add in the 708-watt 14-speaker Meridian sound system, and you have a symphony of sound and technology at your fingertips. The EV9 also features vehicle to load functionality, allowing you to power external devices using the car's battery. Under the hood, the Kia EV9 offers impressive powertrain options. Internationally, it comes with 99.8 kWh battery pack, available in both rear-wheel drive and all-wheel drive configurations. The rear-wheel drive variant delivers a 203 PS and 350 Nm of torque. With a claimed range of up to 562 km, the all-wheel drive variant ups the ante with 383 PS of power and 700 Nm of torque. The noteworthy point here would be the range claimed by Kia is the 500 plus kilometers in single charge. Now that is something. Safety is paramount in the Kia EV9. Equipped with 9 airbags, a 360-degree camera, the advanced driver assistance system like forward collision avoidance assist, lane keep assist, and adaptive cruise control, the EV9 ensures peace of mind on every journey. Some of the quirky features you can expect in Kia cars, especially EV9. The modern design, the storage, the intelligent storage space across the car. Also, I personally liked the middle row seat that can be swiveled to rotate them facing the third row seats for longer journeys. Now that's really intelligent. Anticipated to launch in Indian market in the second half of 2024, the Kia EV9 is expected to start from 80 lakhs. It aims to be more affordable alternative to luxury electric SUVs like BMW iX and Mercedes-Benz EQE. Stay tuned as the EV9 gets ready to make its mark on the Indian roads. If you enjoyed this preview of Kia EV9, make sure to like, subscribe and hit the bell icon for more exciting automotive content. I'll see you in the next one, and here is a video that you might be interested in. Thanks for watching. Happy motoring.